Hello everyone, welcome back to the Opulent Life. Hope everyone is doing well. Today we are going to be reviewing another shoe on this channel, and this one's a special one. This is going to be, as you can see from the logo here, it is the, yes, you guessed it correctly, it is the Air Jordan, more specifically the Air Jordan 1s, and my first Nike Air Jordans. So this is special for me. I chose to go with this particular model for reasons I will state in a second. But yes, the Air Jordan 1, classic, iconic design. Everyone knows about it. Started by Nike in 1984, or maybe it was 85, when Michael Jordan paired up with Nike to create his signature basketball themed shoe. It was the Air Jordan 1. So there's even a movie about it called Air. If you guys want to check it out, make sure you do so. That really got me interested in this, and I decided to check out the line myself. And I found that, I should start my journey of Jordans with the Air Jordan 1. That would be the best one. However, mine is one of a modern iteration of the Jordans. It's not the actual one, and it's not one of the super crazy collectible ones that people are wrapping in plastic and selling for thousands of dollars. This is not one of those. This is one of the mainstream lines, the ones that you can get easily, that are available. You can go on their website, and it's not a crazy premium. They're even on sale. These ones are particularly on sale. So I'll tell you the model number, and it is here. So let's look at the box first. Plain box with the golden symbol of Air Jordans. As you can see here, Michael Jordan making that shot. And then you have this black cardboard box. Nothing super crazy. On the side, you have the gold logo again. And then on the back, nothing. This side has the information. So this is the Air Jordan Hi FlyEase. Why is it called that? We'll see very soon. This is I wear a size 10, so that's that. You have a QR code, some barcodes on the side, and then here, nothing. At the bottom, just have some information. Jumpman Nike Incorporated. It tells you about where it's located. Nike Incorporated is located in Oregon, USA. Also says something about their European operations, and it is also telling you some information about their air sole unit. So the air sole unit is used in the Jordans. That's what they're saying here. Box is made in China. So overall, pretty okay packaging. And then you open it up, take off some of this protective paper, and here it is. So this is the Air Jordan 1 Hi FlyEase. It's a high top model, as you can see over here, and I absolutely love this colorway. You have black, you have cement gray, you have white, and you have fire red on the sole, as you can see over here. It is a amazing color combination. All of my favorite colors are incorporated in here. You can see very beautiful design, classic, iconic, bit of a modern touch, and that is why I bought this one. I'll show it to you in a second why it's called the Hi FlyEase. But yeah, so that's I believe that is the right one, and this is the left. So there you go. You have both of these in here. They are identical, except for the fact they are mirror images of each other. So let's describe it further. Okay, I'm gonna just remove this to the side here and focus on this. Okay, so we talked about the colors. You can see it has a classic Jordan 1 silhouette. Can't mistake it for anything else. You have the classic Nike swoosh logo in gray over here. You have the Air Jordan symbol, which is embossed on the gray. Nice contrast with the black. You have some nice leather over here. Of course, you have these retro style markings here. And you can see there's a bit of a crease here. Of course, I did try this shoe on to make sure it fits me. It's a size 10. So that's why, and I'm not a collectible guy, so I'm going to actually use this shoe. I'm not going to put it up on a wall and never use it. It's not one of those shoes. I intend on wearing it, so I'm not worried about that. So yeah, so you have some nice leather over here, okay? And then you got a nice contrast with the black going all the way. In the back, you're seeing these zippers, and we'll come to that in a second, why it's like that. But let's talk about the sole. So you have it all white, and then this one gives you very good traction and grip. Has the Nike logo at the bottom with the swoosh. So there's that. And then you have these front mock lace-ups, and I'll tell you why it's called mock lace-ups. But let's open the shoe up. So you have this front strap here. You open it up, okay? And then when you open it up, before I go to the zipper part, you have this Air Jordan logo, which is stitched on the tongue. The tongue has a nice red contrast, and so does this part over here. Very nicely made, very high quality. You have this back strap to hold on. This is also in red. So once you open it up, then what happens is you engage the zipper, and then the zipper will help you open this up even further. Okay. Do that, you have it all opened up. And then in the front, why do I call these mock lace-ups? Because it's also a strap. Okay. So all the tongue can come out. You have this shaper here, you can take that out, and then easily you can slide your foot in. No laces to mess around with, very easy to put your foot in. Has the Hi FlyEase logo in there. FlyEase is why, this is why it's called FlyEase, because you can easily put your foot in. You don't have to work with the laces, you don't have to tug on them. They easily come on with one hand operation. You can put your foot in, and there you go. Nice soft sole, very comfortable. Wore these, of course. These are not meant for extended walking. They're not meant for jogging. They're not meant for walking 20,000 miles or hiking. These are meant for lounging and just, you know, hanging out at the mall, or just, you know, hanging out with friends, just for a casual stroll. But they're really good for what they do. They're amazing. And yeah, you have some nice Velcro here. The zip actually goes all the way if you want, but I find it hard to make it go all the way because the strap ends here. So realistically speaking, the zipper would only go till here, but it does have, it is actually going all the way here, although I find it hard to understand why I would be able to make it go all the way there. It just stops here. So there you go. But it's still pretty good. It's roomy enough to have your foot come in, and then what you would do is, first things first, put that in there. Okay. Put the tongue inside once the tongue is inside. And tongue is nice. It's a very nice material. Very high quality, very well stitched. And then you would just snap it on. I like to keep it in a way that, you know, the Velcro is not showing, or showing as less as possible. Of course, anyone with a close eye will find out that these are not real laces, but hey, from a distance you can't tell. So first things first, you tuck that in, and then you would engage the zipper all the way, tighten this up, and there you go. Oh, sorry about that. I like to keep it like this, and there you go. You have it. Very nice, very well made. And then just a slight difference here. Slight difference on the right side. That was the left one we just saw. On the right side, you can see, of course, the zipper is going on the medial end. And because of that, the swoosh logo is a little bit interrupted, understandably, but they did a good job of making it very nice and integrated. So it's not that bad. Again, opens the same way, no real changes. You know, it still extends only this much way, but that's good enough. That's really good enough. So again, tried these on. That's why a little bit slight creasing here because of that. Again, I intend on wearing these, but I decided to show these to you guys first. This is how they look. Very nice silhouette. I love them, and I hope on buying more Jordans. These are likely not going to be my last ones, but to start off with the Air Jordan 1s in this easy configuration, I thought that would make the most sense. And I'll be posting more videos of sneakers, including my Jordan collections, as I go through them, as I buy more of these. So that's it for now, guys. So hope you guys liked this video. Stay tuned for more. Please like, share, subscribe for more updates on more sneakers, fragrances, watches, men's lifestyle items, and accessories. See you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.